Hi everyone, this video will show how Kairos AI features makes planning highly effective meetings effortless. In this example, I'd like to plan a skip level one-on-one with Abby. Skip level meetings are conversations with your direct report, and Abby is one of our exceptional engineers. The calendar embedded AI is trained on decades of scientific research into what makes meetings highly effective. So it immediately understands what I'm trying to do here and facilitates an agenda that makes sense. This will help me create a meaningful connection to learn about Avi's work, gain insights that might help me support or empower his talents, and maybe even I'll identify new opportunities for him to move the needle for the business. The AI correctly identifies that when I say Avi, I mean Avinash Singh on our team. Through calendar connections, it will accurately recommend any internal stakeholders based on my meeting purpose, as well as who I meet with on certain topics. So even if I don't call out the individual, but Avi is the person that I generally have skip level meetings with, that would be the recommendation that it makes for me. I get a little pro tip here, which is wonderful and much appreciated, especially when I'm new to the concept of skip level meetings. Autofill, send, and I'm done. To learn more, reach out to meetkairos.com or check out our next video to see a different example of thoughtful meetings created by Kairos AI.